The average age of boys in the class is twice the number of girls in the class. The ratio of boys and girls in the class of 50 is 4:1. The total of the ages in years of the boys in the class. So here you are asked to find out the total ages of all the boys in this particular class. But here it is given in the second line that the number of students in the class is 50. But we don't know the number of boys and girls in the class. But it is said that the number of boys and girls in the class are in the ratio 4:1. That means what? If we add this 4 and 1 in ratio, we are going to get 5 unit. That is 4 plus 1, 5. This 5 unit in actual represents 50 students. So this 5 unit you can compare with the real value, that is 50 students in the class. So you can find out the value of 1 unit, that will be equal to this 50 divided by this 5 which was in the multiplication. So it will be 1 unit equal to 10 students. So here 4 represents the number of boys in ratio, that is 4 unit. So 1 unit is 10 students. So 4 unit will be 4 multiplied by 10. You are getting 40 boys in the class. Here the number of girls in ratio is 1, and we know 1 unit is 10 according to the actual value. So we can say that the number of girls in the class is 10. So we have got the number of boys and number of girls in the students. Number of boys is 40 and the number of girls is 10. But here we are asked to find out the total ages of the boys in the class. So for that you require the number of boys in the class, that is 40, we have calculated, and you need to multiply the number of boys with average age of a single boy, that is the age of a single boy. If you know the average age, if you multiply with the number of boys, you will get total ages of those boys in the class. So here from the first statement we can get the average age of boys, that is given to be the average age of boys in the class is twice, means 2 times, multiplied by 2 the number of girls in the class. So if we multiply the number of girls by 2, we will get the average age of the boys. It is said in the first line. So the number of girls is 10. So if you multiply this 10 with 2, you will get 20. So 20 here that you got is the average age of a boy. So 20 years is the average age of one boy. If we multiply this with the number of boys, that is 40, we will get our final answer. So 40 multiplied by 20 will give you 800. So the total ages of all the boys, that is 40 boys in the class, will be 800 years. That is your final answer.